Tired of getting slammed with sneaky foreign transaction fees every time you travel or shop online internationally? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to ditch those fees and pay like a local using Revolut's awesome multi-currency account feature. Let's jump right in. First, open your Revolut app and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. This is where all your currency wallets live. If you don't already have a wallet for the currency you need, tap Add Account. A list of currencies will appear. Scroll through and select the one you want. Let's say euros then. Just confirm and boom, a new euro wallet is created. Now you need to fund that new euro wallet. Tap on your original currency, like US dollars, and select exchange. Enter the amount you want to convert from dollars to euros. Revolut will show you the real-time exchange rate. Double check it. And if you're happy, confirm the exchange. Next, ensure smart payments is enabled. Go to the card section, select the card you plan to use, tap settings, and toggle smart payments on. This tells Revolut to automatically use the currency wallet matching the transaction's currency. Now, when you make a purchase in euros, Revolut will automatically deduct the payment from your euro wallet. No more surprise fees. That's it. You're now a Revolut multi-currency master, saving money and enjoying seamless international transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.